The new ECCO Connect with QuickLink connectors is our pre-programmed warning light system. It allows you to save time and money in your upfits by coming with everything you need to install lights on your fleet. Our proprietary QuickLink connector makes install easy, and in seconds you can have a brand new warning light on your vehicle. When building your ECCO Connect system, it starts out very simple. First step, choose your warning lighting. You can choose from a select variety of our different mini bars, directionals, and work lights, and you can have up to 8 connections on each one, and even more if you choose our optional splitter. Step 2 is going to be to choose your harness. You can choose between 3 and 5 meters of different harnessing, and then optionally you can choose a connector cover, a splitter, or a splitter cover. And these covers right here will allow up to 55 pounds of pull force and can further protect your connection. And for our Easy Quad Zero, this is an optional but definitely recommended component of the kit. You have different options pre-programmed to every button here, so like a steady burn, a wig, and even a dim feature for you. Anything that you want on your fleet, we can do with those 23 flash patterns. Now that you've learned the ECCO Connect system, let's do a quick demonstration. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find your leads with their numbers. And then on here, it will demonstrate that's what we consider 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what I'll do is I'll grab my light, use the QuickLink connector, plug it into 1, and that will go to 1. I'll grab my second light, QuickLink connector, that's 2. That will go there. Third light, back corner, and then my fourth and final light will go into plug 4. And you have an upfit vehicle. It's that simple, that easy. You have your power and your brains in here that have all your preloaded flash patterns. All you gotta do is lay out your harnessing and do a quick plug. You have your optional QuickLink connector covers that will help keep that even more durable and lock into place with that 55 pounds of force. For more information on our ECCO Connect system with QuickLink connectors, check out our website at eccosafety.com, and thank you for watching.